I have both of you here today, so I have to ask you, what was your reaction to Ram Gopal Verma Ki Aag when that movie came out?
No reaction.
No, we agree with the rest of the nation, that's all.
No reaction. But one
There
thing
is
is
no
that
separate.
everybody.
We have reacted like an average Indian.
But when he started making it, I had a very small party and Ramesh Sippy was there.
Right.
And I must tell you this incident. There are so many people, he should not make it, he should not make it. But we were never against remake. In fact, we always felt it like a compliment. कि हमने जो 30 साल पहले जो सोचा था, वो आज भी relevant है. Then I told Mr. Ramesh Sippy one thing कि अगर वो आपसे अच्छी बनाता है, उसका interpretation होता है और आपसे ज़्यादा चलती है, तो मतलब he deserves it.
Right.
मतलब बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाइए और उससे इन्फ्लुएंस होकर बनाइए. आपकी फिल्म का जिक्र होगा, आपका भी जिक्र होगा. और अगर खराब बनती है किसी वजह से, बुरी बनती है, तो लोग ये कहेंगे कि अरे वो थोड़ी बना सकते थे, ये तो उसमें भी आपका जिक्र होगा. तो you are in a win-win situation.
Right. I would like to say something about Ram Gopal Verma Ki Aag. I think it gave certain wisdom to people that Sholay did not. Because after seeing that film, you realize that the fire that you start can burn your own house. So you better be careful.
Right.
Yeah.
Since the two of you worked for so many years together, were there times when you felt that you all knew each other better than your spouses knew you?
Of course. Yeah, sure. Definitely. Sometimes it has happened which is almost uncanny. That before I could start saying or he could start saying something, that the scene should be like this, the other person would say, okay, that's right. Okay.
Correct. Absolutely
it has
right.
honestly happened.
People used to say the two of you were very cocky and arrogant in your prime.
That's true.
Every person who knows his job and he is aware of that, he has the knowledge that he knows his job, is an arrogant person, because there is a term in psychology, arrogance of clarity.
Right.
If you are clear, समझे ये है काला है ये, we would not encourage any discussion on this. काला है यार, चलो आगे बढ़ो. हम आपस में डिस्कस करके बहुत हमारे डिस्कशन होते थे एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू अराइव एट सर्टेन थिंग. अब उसमें अगर कोई इंटरफियर करता था तो नेचुरली अननेसेसरी होता था. राइटर्स की जब हम एंटर हुए हैं, जब राइटर्स की कोई अथॉरिटी नहीं थी,
बिल्कुल
समझे, आफ्टर हमारी अथॉरिटी भी आई है आफ्टर गिविंग 10 hits in a row.
Right.
See, in all honesty, one must accept that there were multiple reasons at the time. One, of course, we were extremely young.
Right.
He was in his 30s, I was in my 20s when we did all this work.
Right.
So we were extremely young. And on the other side, we came to cinema and film writing at a point of time when film writers were totally marginalized. They were very poorly paid. Their name was not given on posters and banners. It has happened again now.
Right.
So I suppose one will have to write a couple of scripts to set records right.
Correct.
So what happened that they had no, tradition of a writer putting his foot down or talking like an equal.
Right.
If a downtrodden, a backward, talks to you like an equal, he sounds arrogant.
Right.
So it was the equality which sounded like arrogance, point one. Point two, yes, there is a truth that we were so sure of ourselves. Now with age I realize that you have to become successful and then you have to make your success palatable for others. Perhaps we did not do that.
At that time.
But perhaps that was the need of hour, who knows?
Right.
If we would have been slightly more gentle, they would have trampled us.
Sure.
Who knows?
Sure.
और हम जब आए हैं तो राइटर्स की ऐसी पोजीशन थी कि ना तो उसको बिलिंग मिलती थी, नाम भी नहीं आता था उसका, ना उसको बराबर पैसे मिलते थे, और पैसे मांगने के लिए उसको कोई रीज़न बताना पड़ता था कि बिजली का बिल भरना है, मकान का किराया देना है, सर वो बेटी की शादी है, एंड ही यूज्ड टू बी वेरी apologetic about it, asking for money. Why should we? You have committed a certain amount, and you should break it down and give us our rightful money.
I must tell you one little story. I met a very big producer, again no names, and now he is not in this world, so it will be even more unfair to take his name. And he said, यार तुम लोग मेरे को एक स्टोरी दो ना. मैंने कहा सर वो क्या है कि आफ्टर गिविंग 4 hits in a row we had no work. For 9 months we had no film.
Yes.
Because we had decided that we will take 2 lakhs. Now 2 lakhs is like today a writer deciding 20 crores. So we had decided we will take 2 lakhs.
Right.
So I said, sir, you will not agree on a price, there is a problem. He said, paisa is not a problem. मेरे को तुम स्क्रिप्ट ऐसी जो पसंद आए
जी
तो मैं जी ठीक है. तो मैं उनके ऑफिस गया, कहने हाँ सुनाओ. मैं सर मैं सुना दूंगा, पहले आप प्राइस सुन लीजिए. इसलिए कि आपको स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगेगी, आप कहेंगे पैसा इसलिए मांग रहा है कि मुझे पसंद आ गई.
Right.
तो पहले सुन लीजिए, स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आए तो दीजिएगा, वरना ना दीजिएगा, हमको एडवांस थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं आप.
करेक्ट.
हाँ बोलो क्या प्राइस. तो मैंने कहा 2 लाख. So there was pin drop silence in the room for a while. Then he pressed the bell, ding 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 ding, and he was serious, sitting quietly without expression. So his peon entered and he named his partner who used to be in the same office. उसको बुलाना जरा. अरे जाके बुला के लाओ, जल्दी काम है. तो again both of us were sitting quietly. So I didn't know what is in the store for me.
Right.
So the door opened and he was rather preoccupied. हाँ बोल क्या बात है. तो इसे ठहर ए जो तुम मेरे को बोला था इसको भी तो बोल. So he thought if he goes away and I tell him, my partner won't believe it. Because it's so absurd and funny.
Right.
Won't believe it.
Correct.
So I must make him tell him also.
क्या गलत, मैं गलत बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
But ultimately, after 9 months, we signed the film in 2 lakhs.
Okay.
And the next film was not in 2.5. The next film was in 5. The
Okay.
third film was in 10.
Right.
So if you insist on these kind of prices in those times,
Correct.
the highest writer used to take perhaps 60,000 or 80,000.
Right.
Obviously, you look like an extremely spoiled and arrogant person.
और एक
Right.
बात और भी है, आपको एक बात बताऊं, बहुत सिंपल बात है. पैसे हाँ बोलने के नहीं मिलते हैं, पैसे ना बोलने के मिलते हैं.